and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Queen of Stage, Spice, made her first appearance on stage since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. Spice performed in New Jersey for the U.S. Labor Day weekend celebrations. The Love and Hip Hop Atlanta star shared these clips online of her performance, which drew a massive crowd to the venue. Spice was creative in her performance by including disposable quarantine outfits, masks, and measuring tapes for those hopping on stage for her usual acrobatic antics. Now, in her caption in reference to her guest on stage, Spice stated that his temperature was checked before he entered the stage and that his outfit is a disposable quarantine outfit. However, this did not stop critics from commenting on the noticeable large crowd during the pandemic and labeled the artist as irresponsible. Now, in the meantime, Spice is enjoying the success of her newly released track, Inches. The track dropped on August 28 and is trending at number 7 with over 1.1 million views on YouTube. Now onto the international scene, where Grammy-winning rapper Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion earned their first #1 in the UK with their raunchy single, WAP. After a few weeks at number 2, the track earned 65,000 chart sales and 8.5 million streams and securing the #1 spot. WAP is reportedly the first #1 to hit the UK by 2 female rappers. The track is the second female-led single to hit the top this year. It follows Lady Gaga's Rain on Me, which features Ariana Grande. WAP is the latest single from Cardi B's upcoming sophomore full-length album. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.